What's going on, guys? And in this video I'm going to be talking about facts about the farm part 2. Anyway, so let's get to this video, shall we? Okay, so first off, like around a year ago and half a year ago, I made a video on facts about the farm, twice. So if you want to check out those videos, the links will be in the description. And also, I even make a video on facts about the cattle farming and the agriculture farming, so of course the links will be in the description as well. But anyway, so facts about the farming, we have three types. We have agriculture farming, basically this is where we produce things in the fields and stuff. This is number one. Number two, we have the cattle farming, which I made a video on that. This is basically where we have farm animals and we kill some of them for meat and we use some of them for getting around. And also we have tractor farming as well. So that's third, and the final one is tractor farming. Basically what it is where you use the ground, where you use this machine to smoothen the ground, or you make the ground like bumpy so you can be able to grow stuff in it. So this is what I know about here. And of course, for agriculture farming, this is what I like to grow. Of course, I love to grow potatoes, which I've said this before in some of my videos. I love the potatoes, especially we can make so many great things with it, which I'll show you at the end of this video on the coolest recipes. And this is what we can make. We can make french fries, we can make hash browns, we can make potato pancakes, and even chips, also known as crisps in the United Kingdom. In the United Kingdom, this is what we call it. So this is what we're making with the potatoes. And also, I like carrots too. Carrots, is one of my favorite vegetables. And the fact is, carrots is good for the eyesight. So this is a good thing. And also, I like lettuce. Nowadays I like lettuce, and especially the green stuff is good for the skin. This is a fact here. Fact is that green stuff like lettuce and cucumbers and all this is good for the skin. Anything green is good for the skin. And also, I like cabbages. Fact is, cabbages have a pretty strong smell, especially when you're cooking it in the kitchen for Thursday lunch. Now, for example, we can make stuffed cabbages, which I've had it before and it tasted pretty good. You just gotta make it good, that's all. So I like the stuffed cabbages. And also, there's so many things that we have in agriculture farming. So this is what we have. And of course, in cattle farming, of course, we use the horses. For example, we use the horses to get around, like we used to do in the old days, like hundreds and all this, like hundreds of years ago, before automobiles and cars came out. So this is what we used to use back in the day. And probably like almost 100 years ago, this is when the cars came out, the automobiles, you know what I mean? So this is what I know about the farming. And of course, for the other farm animals, we also use it to use the rest for sacrificing. Basically what it is you kill some of the farm animals for meat. And for example, we can kill chickens, we can kill ducks and cows and all this. We can use the farm animals for eating meat, and even sheeps too. Sheeps, or also known as lambs, we can use it for meat as well. So I like those type. And of course, it is totally halal. Basically what halal is what is okay to do by the Islamic law, or what's okay by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So this is a fact here. And of course, like I said, for tractor farming, you use the tractor in the fields, to smoothen the ground, or to make those lines, line up the fields so you can be able to start growing things. So this is what I heard about here, and of course, I like the farming. So this is the good things and the bad things about it. The good things is when you're in the farm area is, of course, you get peace and quiet, and it's not so much noise like you get in crowded areas, and this is a good thing. And of course, everything is fresh, straight out of the ground or straight out of the trees. It's a good thing. But the bad thing about it is, it can get boring. Like there's nothing much to do over there, like when you just live there. And also, signal reception is not that great, especially for calling. You don't get that good service, and yeah, this is definitely a downside about it. So, of course, this is what I know about facts about the farming. Now I'm gonna get to the conclusion. Okay, so to my conclusion, I like the farming, and especially I've learned so many cool things, during during this time. So I like the farming. Before, like around a year ago, I didn't really like the farming, especially the video that I made last year. I didn't really like it. But nowadays, when I started learning and adapting, I start to like it. It isn't as bad as I thought. So that is me briefly talking about facts about the farming. So there you go. And of course, the links about the two other videos about the farming and the agriculture and the cattle farming, the links, all of those will be in the description, so you can check out each one. So that is it for this video. Thanks for watching. And yeah, like I said, that was me talking about facts about the farm part 2. And you can see I'm wearing the same shirt that I did last year when I made the video. So there you go. Of course, guys, make sure to like and share. And of course, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Please do, because this really helps. Anyway, so thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you guys again in the next one.
Thank you.